Fun learning with Anhal. Like, subscribe and share. Let's learn about the animal world. Turtle. It walks slowly. It lives in both water and land. It has a hard shell on body. Monkey. It lives on trees. It is intelligent and naughty. It likes to eat bananas. Lion. It is the king of jungle. It eats meat. It hunts mostly at night. Frog. It lives in both water and land. It jumps from one place to other. Polar bear. It lives in snow. It has a strong sense of smell. Elephant. It lives in the forest. It has a long trunk. It is a strong animal. Fox. It is a clever animal. It has a small body and a bushy tail. Kangaroo. It walks by jumping on two legs. It eats grass. It has a pouch on belly to carry baby kangaroo. Zebra. It lives in family groups. It eats grass. It has black and white strips on its body. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video.